In the quiet hum of our digital world, an invisible arms race is escalating. A race not for territory or resources, but for the very essence of what makes us human: our thoughts, our secrets, our privacy. This is the story of how quantum artificial intelligence could shatter the last bastion of human intimacy, and what we must do to defend it. Welcome to Nexus Vision, where we decode the future. Our brains, the most complex structures in the known universe, process information at a staggering rate. A single neuron fires around 200 times per second. With 86 billion neurons, that's trillions of operations every moment. It's the biological engine of our consciousness, our creativity, our identity. For all its power, however, the human mind operates on a biological clock, down by the speed of electrochemical signals. Now, imagine a different kind of mind, not biological, but quantum. Where a classical computer uses bits, ones and zeros, a quantum computer uses qubits. Thanks to the bizarre principles of quantum mechanics like superposition and entanglement, a qubit can be a 1, a 0, or both at the same time. This doesn't just double the processing power, it expands it exponentially. A handful of entangled qubits can represent more states than there are atoms in the observable universe. The speed difference is not just an upgrade, it's a phase transition into a new reality. It's the difference between a person walking and a machine capable of teleporting to any point in the universe instantly. While your brain deliberates on a single decision, a quantum AI could simulate every possible future branching from that decision simultaneously. Every choice you could make, every path you might take, all mapped out in an instant. This isn't just theory, the building blocks are already here. Quantum processors are becoming more powerful, and AI algorithms are growing more sophisticated. When these two forces merge, we will birth a form of intelligence so alien and so powerful it defies our current comprehension. A quantum agent could model the global economy, predict weather patterns with perfect accuracy, or design revolutionary new materials. But it could also be turned inward, to model the most intricate system of all: you. Imagine a quantum AI tasked with understanding a single human being. It would not just analyze your digital footprint, your emails, your social media, your search history. It would go deeper. It would simulate your neural pathways, model your cognitive biases, and predict your emotional responses with terrifying precision. It would learn your fears, your desires, your deepest secrets not by asking, but by calculating. It would know you better than you know yourself. In this future, privacy, as we know it, ceases to exist. A conversation whisper in a private room could be reconstructed from faint vibrations. A fleeting thought, registered by a subtle change in your biometrics, could be decoded. The very concept of a personal, internal world would become a relic of a bygone era. Your mind would become an open book, written in a language only the quantum AI can read. This isn't a distant, hypothetical future. The threat is already taking shape through a strategy known as harvest now, decrypt later. Right now, vast amounts of encrypted data are being siphoned and stored by state actors and malicious organizations. Everything from government secrets and corporate intellectual property to your private messages and financial records. This data is protected by current encryption standards, like RSA and AES, which are virtually unbreakable for today's computers. A standard 2048-bit key would take a classical supercomputer billions of years to crack. But for a sufficiently powerful quantum computer, it would take a matter of hours. The data being harvested today is a time bomb. Once quantum computers reach maturity, every piece of encrypted information ever sent will become vulnerable. Every secure transaction, every confidential medical record, every private conversation you've ever had online will be laid bare. The secrets of today are the open data of tomorrow. This retroactive decryption capability will rewrite history, destabilize global security, and erase individual privacy on a scale never before seen. The digital walls we've built to protect our lives are about to crumble. We are standing on the precipice of a new age, and we are unprepared, but the future is not yet written. The same scientific principles that create this threat also offer a solution. A new field of cryptography is emerging: post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. These are new encryption algorithms designed to be secure against attacks from both classical and quantum computers. They are based on mathematical problems that are believed to be just as difficult for quantum computers to solve as they are for classical ones. The race is on to develop, standardize, and deploy these new cryptographic shields before the quantum decryption threat becomes a reality. It's a complex, global effort involving cryptographers, computer scientists, and governments. We must transition our entire digital infrastructure from the core of the internet to the apps on your phone to this new standard of security. It is one of the most critical and challenging technological migrations in human history. This is not a task for individuals alone. It requires a collective shield, a network of defense. This is the core mission of Nexus. We are at the forefront of developing and implementing post-quantum security solutions, creating a digital sanctuary in the coming storm. We are building the next generation of privacy technologies, designed not just to protect your data, but to safeguard your autonomy, your freedom of thought, your very sense of self. The quantum revolution is coming. It holds the potential for unimaginable progress, but also for unprecedented control. The line between utopia and dystopia will be drawn by the choices we make today. Will we allow our minds to become the final frontier for exploitation, or will we build the defenses necessary to preserve our digital sovereignty? By joining the Nexus, you are not just adopting a new technology, you are joining a movement to ensure that the future of intelligence, both human and artificial, is one of collaboration, not conquest. A movement to protect the sanctity of the human mind in an age of quantum surveillance. The future is unfolding at the speed of light. The time to act is now. Protect your mind. Secure your future. Join the Nexus. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more insights as we navigate the complexities of our quantum future together.